Hello, my little Dynamites. I'm Kaya from JK's Toys and Tech. Today we're going to be opening up 3 packs. First one we're going to start with is the Lightning Card Collection. We got this off of Amazon. If you just search the name, it'll pop right up. And we're going to be doing 2 packs of Evolving Skies. One with Rayquaza on top. And the other one is Umbreon. Pretty cool stuff. Alright, so excuse me for this interruption. After the lightning card pack that we're going to be opening, the mystery box, we are going to go ahead and do a little special something for you guys. A little sneak peek preview into my personal collection. So make sure to stay tuned. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the Lightning Card Collection. If we can get into it anytime soon, that'd be nice. Alright. Okay, so we're just going to start from the top because I'm not sure how these are done. Looks like we started off with a holographic Machamp. That's pretty cool. And, ooh, look at that. Another holo. Holo Zygarde. The legendary. He's pretty cool. I think I held that wrong. I apologize. And a holographic Altaria. That's cute. I like that. He's a poofy cloud. And we have a Professor's Research, also holographic. That might be an easier way to show it. Look at that. All right. And we have a holographic Scrafty. He can barely hold his pants up. And it looks like we got a holographic Charmander frolicking in the little meadow. Da da da. And a holo Execute. He looks kind of, well, one of them looks kind of sad. Got a little sad face. Alright, we have a Trainer Camping Gear holo. Oh, and a Delmise, the Ghost Inker, holographic. Man, these are all holo. We got a holo Chatot with that cool little holo that we had with that Braviar. That's cool. And we have an energy. Another energy. Another energy. Another energy. Another energy. Another one.
Another one. Another one. Another one.
Another. Okay. And this doesn't look like it is a holo, but is a Charizard Bath, which is a location in Sword and Shield. And we have a Remoraid, also not holo, but he looks like he's balancing some stuff on his little water gun. Sticks and rocks. That's cute. And we have a cute little Yamper with a Pokeball in his mouth. And a Minfu, who is, looks like he's he's stretching. And Bellsprout, he got a little water drop hitting his head. Like, what the? Sandalit, my bad. And it's one of those clay arts. That's cute. And we have a Vitality Band, Trainer, a Trainer Professor's Letter, Trainer Timer Ball, and a Murkrow. Ooh. He's sitting on a grave. A tombstone. That's not morbid at all. And a Grumpig. Ooh. I think he might have been taking some psychedelics. Oh my god. You know what I'm talking about. Crawdaunt, Buffalant. It looks like he's trampling on stuff. Timber. He might be helping build a house. And we have a Pronyard. It's cutting stuff down. Cacnea in the desert. Shinx. I love Shinx. Shinx is cool. And we have a Sizzlepede. Sizzlepede. I think that's a clay art as well. That's cool. I like the clay arts. And a Gliscor. Looks like he's sitting up on a wall. And a Trader Rotom Bike. Professor Kukui. Timer Ball. And a Gligar. Man, I don't think he's gliding at all. He looks like he's flying. Look at that. And we have a Honedge. Just sitting next to a lonely little tree. Scatterbug. Looks like there's a gust of wind going. Houndour. Oh, man. Look at the power on that thing. He's pulling a boulder. Believe it or not, that's how the Egyptians did it. Houndour. We have a Frillfish. Frillish. Frillish. Seadra. Looks like someone's trying to fish him up. There's a reel there. And Girder. We have another Yamper. Cute little Yamper. And a Galarian Slowpoke. That's cute too. A Glameow sitting in a tree. We have a Trainer Timer Ball. Trainer Evelyn. Oh. This is obviously it's a remake of the old Trainer Maintenance. It's a remake, I can tell, but that's interesting. Another Sizzlepede. An Onyx. It's kind of cute. Cherubi. Mawel. That's pretty cute. And I guess the last one is an Onyx. I thought there was supposed to be a legendary in here, but I guess not. That's pretty cool. I guess we started with our cool stuff. The Machamp and all that in the front. We're going to go ahead and interrupt our normal routine with the Pokemon card packs. And we're going to open up my binder here. It starts with our first sleeve. And these are the original base sets. Some of them are first edition, some of them aren't. And I've been collecting these since I was a kid, like old. Anyways, we have Alakazam. There are some spaces missing because it's obviously not a complete set. Chansey here, the hollows are so gorgeous in these. I'm not sure if you can see them or not. But we have my Charizard here. Unfortunately, it's not first edition. My Clefairy and the Gyarados, which also has a really cool hollow effect on it. Hitmonchan and my Machamp, and it is a first edition, which is pretty cool. Sleeves. We'll move on to my Magneton, which is cool too. But yeah, this is just a review of my first page. If you guys do like this and you want to see more, go ahead and leave a like on the video. But yeah, for now, that's what we have. All right, so we are going to go ahead and finish off with the 2 Evolving Skies booster packs. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the Rayquaza. I always liked Rayquaza. He's cool. But anything dragon I usually like. Also cats. If I could get this open. I should come prepared with some scissors, but I think that's blasphemy. Oh. Man. I'm gonna have to cut halfway through that. Alright. So we got the code. And 1, 2, 3, 4 from the back. Alright, and we're going to start off with a Fighting Energy. And we got a Bulldor. Looks like he's rock smashing. Trainer, an Aroma Lady. Trainer, a Rescue Carrier. A Lotad. Looks like he's chilling. There's some sunflowers in the back. That's cute. I like that. And oh my goodness, a Teddy Ursa. He's just licking his hand. Probably just had some honey on it. That's adorable. I love that. And oh my god. Okay, a Cryogonal. Hopefully I said that right. And we got a Nickit. Also cute as heck. A Dwibble. Cute little Dwibble. And we got a holographic lantern. Looks like he's using flash. I like lantern. Ooh, okay. A Galarian Zapdos, which looks like a chocobo. Look at that. He's so cute. I love it. I love what they did with the 3 legendaries. I think some people have issue with it, but it's so cool. I love it. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and open up Umbreon. Hopefully it doesn't take as long as the last one. And how do you people with no fingernails do it? I don't know. All right. Is that upside down? There's a code. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. We got an energy. Grass. And we have a Scrafty. Looks like he can hold his pants up, not like the other guy. Look at that. All right. And we have an Ursa Ring. That's cool. And a trainer, Crystal Cave. A Rufflet. Cute little Rufflet. A Roggenrola. Looks like it's the same artwork as that Grunt Pig that we pulled. A Wobbuffet. He looks like he's doing like a headbutt. What is that? And a Hop-Ip. That looks cool. And a Swablu sitting in a tree. And our holo is a Seedots with the little fireflies in the background. That's cool. And it's not holo, but I love this one. It is a Flapple. The dragon with the apple around it. I love that so much. Look at that. That's cool. And he's flying. You wouldn't think that Apple could fly, but there you have it. All right, so we are going to go ahead and do our recap of what we got. But first, make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Tell me which one of these was your favorite. We got a lantern, which is cute. And Seedots with the little fireflies in the back. And the flap, it's not hollow, but it's still one of my favorites that we pulled. The Flapple. I love Flapple. And an Altaria. Looks like he's just flying in the air. And the guy who can't keep his pants up. The Scrafty. And we have a Chatot. Looks like he's just chilling in a tree. And a Dynamites, the Ghost Anchor. Oh, camping gear. It's hollow, but an Execute hollow with all his little Execute personalities. And the Charmander, the cute, adorable little Charmander frolicking. Everybody loves Charmander. And the Professor's Research, which is also a hollow. And Zygarde, which is cool. And the Machamp, who's throw in some hands. And finally, a favorite, the Galarian Zapdos, which looks like a red chocobo. That's so cute. I love it so much. Alrighty then. So that was the lightning card deck, mystery pack from Amazon. We got it from, and the 2 evolving skies. I hope you liked our video. Thank you for watching.